everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alishia if you're new to my channel. If you're not new to my channel, thank you for coming back. So today I'm reviewing this beautiful wig I got from Arabella Hair. They sent me this 4x4 body wave closure wig and it is absolutely phenomenal. Like, I am floored. I've been sitting on it for, I don't know, maybe 2 months. I didn't know what was really sitting in that box, okay? I didn't know. But it is so beautiful. It is so beautiful. I love it so much. But if you guys want to see all the details, you want to see me unbox this, you want to see me install it, all that, all the details to this hair will be in the description box below. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram right here so you can follow me there, so you can participate in all of my question answers, polls, and giveaways that I have going on my Instagram. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and let's get into it. Okay, so let's get into this. So today I'm working with Arabella. Let's see. Oh, it's kind of glary. There we go. Arabella, and the box will come like this, pretty in pink. Inside we have the wig, and we have a cute little box that also has their branding on it. So inside we have some lashes. Decent. We have a cute little headband, hair clip, another one, a cute little gold clip as well, and of course the wig cap. This is 24 inches, but it's getting very much long in the package. Ooh, and she thick, and she thick, and she thick. Oh my gosh, this is thick. Whoop, 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 whoop. So this is a 24-inch 4x4 body wave wig. It's a 4x4 closure. Did I say that? 4x4 closure. Oh my gosh. And it is, I can't even stretch. Like, look at this. Look at the ponytail. It's thick. Oh my gosh, I'm really excited to work with this one. So inside we have the closure. It's a 4x4. We have an elastic adjustable band. We do have 3 clips inside, left, right. I'm sorry, 4 clips, left, right, top, and the bottom. And then we also have these adjustable straps as well. So, oh, it looks like the hairline is pre-plucked. It does have some nice parting in there already. It looks really good. It looks really good. So I'm going, you guys, this wig is, I've been sitting on this wig for so long. And it is just thick. I just really wasn't ready. I don't even know the density on this wig at all. Here's a close-up on the ends. Wow, how beautiful. I'm actually very, I just got so much more excited. And it's like 10 o'clock at night. I'm over here filming right now. But yes, and look how beautiful it looks. Like, the luster is very, it's like the perfect amount of luster. I can't stop running my fingers through it, to be honest. I really can't. I'm very excited. And it's a closure wig, so it's going to be very easy for me to install. I know we have a banger. We have a banger on our hands. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and pluck a little bit more on the edges here. Cut this lace off and put some foundation right here. And then I will be back, okay? Okay, so I'm back. I cut the lace and I put some foundation on it. I also plucked the hairline just a little bit more, and now I'm just gonna throw this baby on. baby, shaking. I'm gonna put a tiny bit of oil on the top here just to help with some flyaways. And just soften it up just a little bit. Just a smidge. Look a lot. All right, it's on flat, y'all. Okay, let me bring this to the back. And then I'm just gonna take my wand and I'm just gonna go in and just curl some of this hair, okay? Okay, so I've got all the hair curled. Look at the luster, look at the bounce. All right, so this is what the hair is looking like with the curls and the body and the bounce, baby. And let me tell you, it feels like that good heavy, that good heavy. Okay. All right, so I'm just going to finger comb these out. Oh my god. This is the longest 24-inch hair I have ever experienced. Like, I just have to be completely honest with you. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me take these pieces down. But yes, look at this hair, you guys. This hair is beautiful. It is like magic. It is a buttery and full. I feel like I need to change the color of my shirt. Can you guys see it good? Oh my gosh, it feels so good. I don't want to stop touching it. I don't want to stop. All right, I haven't had hair this long in a grip. Agreed. It's been a long time. I shouldn't have left you. I love every minute and second of this. Woo! Oh my gosh. Look. Just look. Hold on. Let me get back and stand up. Look. She is so beautiful on me, right to the top of my back. And mind you, I did cut just a little bit off, just like this much. Yes. Yes, baby. Yes, baby. This wig is just giving 10 out of 10. Oh my God, I love it. I love. Okay, so again, this hair is from Arabella Hair, and I will have all the information to this wig and their website in the description box, and a discount code should be in there as well. This hair just gets a 10 out of 10. This hair is everything. It's just so beautiful. It's so pretty. So luscious and heavy, and it just feels like quality. It feels like it's gonna last a long time. Okay, that is the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you like this video, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys in the next video. I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy this wig. I need somebody to take me somewhere. I might have to take myself somewhere. God damn. Bye.